In today's movie you never saw, I'm going to tell you about a movie called The Next 3 Days. The Next 3 Days is an action thriller drama movie which was released in 2010, which means that 13 years have passed since the movie was released. In brief, this movie talks about a woman, Lala, which is arrested for killing her boss, and she is sentenced for life prison. John Brennan, who is Lala's husband, decided to take this matter in his own hand, as he saw that he can't live and raise their son without his wife, so he decided to risk it all and make her escape from prison. This movie features actors like Crowe, Elizabeth Banks, Liam Neeson, Olivia Wilde, Rennie James, Brian Dennehy, T. Simpkins, Daniel Stern. I hope you enjoyed this movie as I did. Thank you for listening. Enjoy.